Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing another Dollar Tree haul. This is actually part 2. I already posted part 1. I don't know if I'm actually going to be doing parts, but I did post another Dollar Tree haul recently. We're going to talk about only 2 products from SHEGLAM that I purchased. I just kind of want to mention here before I forget. And we're going to get into the Dollar Tree products that I purchased. I also do have an uninvited guest. We don't want to talk about it, girl. I already spoke about it in a different video, but yeah, we have a friend joining us today, but it's okay because we are going to be talking about makeup, so it's super exciting. And let's just get into it. If you want to see what I picked up from my local Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. So first off, let's get into the SHEGLAM products. I purchased their new Skin Focus High Coverage Powder Foundation. So if you guys know me, I went ahead and purchased their skin balm. I wasn't like the biggest fan of it. I need to try it out again. But this is basically their pressed powder foundation. Super excited about this. So let's just get in here. And I did already open this. I purchased the shade Honey. I love how they package their products. It just gives you a luxe kind of experience. Comes in this velvet pouch. You do get some instructions in here. And then we have the actual powder foundation, which looks like that. Again, powder foundation in the shade Honey. Love it. This is stunning. So that's how it looks on the inside. Packaging, yes, feels really nice, really luxe. Can't wait to try it on the face. The other product that I purchased from Shein was this, and this is a wireless microphone. Basically, if you guys, I'm sure you guys have seen this on TikTok, where you kind of like place one part of the situation on your phone and then you can carry the little mic with you. So I purchased the one in pink. So I kind of want to see how this works, and I want to see if it works for me and my phone. And again, I purchased the pink one. Instruction manual. This is what it looks like on the inside. You do get, I guess, like a charger. This is a part that goes into your phone, and then this is a little microphone. And I think you can also put this on your shirt. Yeah, it has a little clip in there. Okay, perfect. Super cute. Can't wait to see if this works for me. I'll let you guys know, update you guys in future videos, but it's just a wireless radio microphone. Let's just get into the Dollar Tree products. So I did already purchase a body wash, the one that I love that I showed you guys in my empties videos. I already put it in my shower, but I picked up this one as well. This is Spa Luxury Rose and Vanilla Scented Shower Gel. Super cute, pink. You guys know the vibes. So I'm gonna throw this in my shower as well once the other one is done. But this is so good. I enjoy the other one a little more, but I just purchased this one as a backup because I recently ran out of shower gel and I didn't know what to do with myself. So yeah, and if you guys watch my other haul video from Dollar Tree, I also picked up a loofah recently. So yeah, this is so cute. Love this. This also comes in a green kind of situation, but this one is the rose and vanilla scent. I said in my empties video that I wasn't going to purchase these anymore. This is just a room mist from Aromar, and this is the Ocean Breeze room mist. It just smelled so good. It just got me. Let me spray some now. It just smells so nice and fresh, so I went ahead and picked up the Ocean Breeze one. This just has a really nice scent to it. It smells very nice and clean, so just went ahead and picked this up. Picked up this little set of hand creams. You guys know I love hand creams. I have dry skin, blah blah blah, on my hands, but I saw this and I thought these were so cute. So this is a vanilla scented and peony scented hand creams. They came in a stunning little pink packaging, so I was like, why not? And I believe this set retailed for $125 as well. Get in here. Right, so we have the vanilla scented hand cream. So both of these are from Crystal Waters. Look at how cute this packaging is. And then we have this one, which is the peony scent. Love me a good hand cream. So this is a nice 2-in-1 kind of moment. Let's talk about these 2 products. I picked up 2 headbands. The first one is just so cute. I cannot pass up on this. It's like one of those little headbands that were popular a couple months ago, and I love these. I'm still into them. So cute. I can't wait to try this out. And it does have like blue and purple in it, almost like pink, purple. It's just such a beautiful design. It's so pretty. So I went ahead and picked this up. And this one is not one that I'm gonna wear out or anything, but whenever we do our get ready with me together here on YouTube or even on Instagram or whatever, this is adorable. It has pink kind of fuzzies on it, and it has little pearls. I thought this was so cute. Use this for my get ready with me's and nobody could stop me. This is adorable. I went ahead and picked this up. I just thought it was so cute. This is the Be Pure Under Eye Massager. So cute. It is pink. It also comes in a green, I believe, and maybe a blue. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this and see how this works. There's a look at that. Oh yeah, So it does like roll around, and it feels really nice and cooling as well. So cute. I'm so excited about this. Oh, I picked this up at the Family Dollar. I don't know why it's in here, but I picked up a measuring tape for no reason, but it's just pink and cute. So I have this. If you guys saw my last video, I picked up some Smackers lip glosses. So this time I saw these at my local Dollar Tree, and these are their lip balms. So we have the one in strawberry and the one in watermelon. I'm not sure if they have other scents, but these are the ones that I saw at my local Dollar Tree. This looks so like nice. Whoa, look how pretty. Smells really good. Then we have this pink one. These are so cute. I'm so glad that I picked them up. Lastly, I picked up a eyeshadow palette. This is from LA Colors, their 6-color eyeshadow palette in Playful. So cute. I have 2 of them in my Shop My Stash. I used one of them on the eyes today, and these are actually really good quality. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it in here. So look at that. How cute, how girly is this? Little applicator I never really use. There's a look at the colors. So cute. We have pinky, purpley shades in here. I'm so excited to use this. And that was the last product from today's haul. Let me know if you picked up any of these products. Let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna have my Dollar Tree playlist down there as well if you want to catch up on my older videos. So of course, like this video so I can keep making them. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.